thank me at dinner. Start by cutting 3 tomatoes in half. Then, remove all the core. Then make a cut in the back, just like I'm doing. Now let's book. We will separate 6 yolks from 6 eggs. Let's add the tomatoes to a refractory. Add an egg yolk to each tomato. Let's book. I'm going to grate 160 grams of mozzarella with the thickest part of the grater. I hope you are enjoying this delicious recipe. Don't forget to share it with your friends. By doing so, you will be helping us reach even further. Now, to season the tomatoes, add a pinch of salt. And a pinch of black pepper. Then add the mozzarella that we grated. Comment here in the comments about which city is making this recipe to send you a special hug, and we will react with a little heart especially for you. Today's hug goes to Irati Aparecida de Souza from the city of Sao Paulo. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Let's add parsley. Place in the preheated oven at 180 degrees and let it bake for 20 minutes. This is the ideal point. Our recipe is ready. You can serve it and enjoy. I hope you liked this recipe. If you've made it this far, leave the floor tomato, so you know that you watched the video until the end. Now I'm going to leave a little heart in the comments for everyone who wrote the name of their city. Until the next recipe, a big kiss.